Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and these sheets from CLOUDSCAPE Linens make me feel like my bedroom is a luxury five-star hotel.
As someone who has gotten super picky about their sheets lately, I can say for sure that I love these sheets. They are 100% Egyptian cotton and are the most cozy sheets I think I've ever slept in. I love all of the little details about these sheets. They are super breathable and comfortable. They are pet friendly. And I love these extra deep pockets so they can fit a variety of mattress size. The label that says top or bottom. The fact that these come packaged in their own tote bag is such a huge thing for me. I have mine in the king size in this beautiful color mineral, which is like the most light, beautiful sage green. Every single detail you can tell is so well thought out and well executed. These are the highest quality sheets I think I have ever had, and I am so happy to sleep in these every single night.
These are by far the most luxurious sheets I have ever slept in. They make me want to stay in bed forever. I couldn't be more happy with them, and that's my point of view.